All right, this is Thursday morning. We're at the beach. We're just getting out here, getting everything all situated. And somebody wants summertime over here. Got a little palm tree over here setting up. Now I'm gonna walk down to the beach right quick. Alrighty, here we go. We're going over here to the beach. And kind of cool out here this morning. Wind blowing a little bit. Everybody's all dressed up, all coat on, little cap on, everything. So you can tell it's cool. But you gotta forget about the cool. Think about the beach. We're out here dancing. And right here, somebody's planted a tree on the beach. Let's go ahead and investigate that. I thought that was a palm tree, but that looks like a Christmas tree. Kids got kids' toys there. Alright, I've never seen that done before, planting a tree on the beach. If that was a palm tree, would be in business. Alright. Got a few people out here this morning. So I think the sun supposed to peek out every once in a while here. That's what the weatherman said. But the ocean's still here. It ain't went nowhere. Waves are kind of high this morning. Just look at that. It says, just look at that. The water coming in. The waves coming in. Man. The tide must be coming in. I say that's what's going on. But the main thing this morning is somebody's planting trees on the beach. That's either a pine tree or a Christmas tree, one to two. I like it, I like it, I like it. All right, we're gonna shut this thing down. Well, first I think I'm gonna walk across the road here. Well, maybe not. All right, everybody have a blessed day.